Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install iOS 14's beta profile without your Apple ID at all and without a computer as well. It just requires no jailbreak, of course, or anything like that. It's all done through a legit beta profile. So all you have to do is head over to my description here, or you can just go type this in right here. It's just a website called betaprofiles.com. Once you're on the website, you'll notice there's a ton of different beta profiles you can download. And if you just go to the very top, you'll notice here it says iOS 14 is the first one. It's a new beta profile 1. And there's also one here for the iPad as well if you want to check out the iPad new iOS, and as well as the watch as well. So we're just going to head over here to the iOS 14 and click on download. Just give it a second here, and then it's going to ask us to download a configuration profile. We'll click on allow. And then we'll head over to our settings and click on settings. And we just want to go to general. Then we want to go down and we'll see profiles. Click on profiles. Then we just want to click on the iOS 14 beta software profile. And it'll just let us know that we have it already logged in, and as well as a new one right here that we can go and install as well. So we just click on install, type in our password. And then as we want to go to install this right now, we'll just click on install in the top right corner, and then it will install this on our device. I'm not going to go ahead and do this right now as I already have the newest iOS on mine. But if you want to go ahead and install it, this is exactly how you do it. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.